I want you to meet plus people. I want you to meet my mom. I want you to meet my aunt. I want you to meet my boss. I want you to meet my niece. I want you to meet my coach. I want you to meet my uncle. I want you to meet my doctor. I want you to meet my sister. I want you to meet my spouse. I want you to meet my nephew. I want you to meet my mentor. I want you to meet my mentor. I want you to meet my in-laws. I want you to meet my cousins. I want you to meet my brother. I want you to meet my dentist. I want you to meet my roommate. I want you to meet my children. I want you to meet my pen pals. I want you to meet my neighbors. I want you to meet my therapist. I want you to meet my employees. I want you to meet my colleagues. I want you to meet my ex-partner. I want you to meet my stepmother. I want you to meet my stepfather. I want you to meet my great-aunt. I want you to meet my stepsister. I want you to meet my godparents. I want you to meet my classmates. I want you to meet my gym buddies. I want you to meet my gym buddies. I want you to meet my stepbrother. I want you to meet my great-uncle. I want you to meet my study group. I want you to meet my best friend. I want you to meet my sports team. I want you to meet my godchildren. I want you to meet my hairstylist. I want you to meet my role models. I want you to meet my grandparents. I want you to meet my team members.